Miyam marakta yausinduna authorized tawdaba khutsu khulai sing lairiba si khudong thiningai ni athubada lakshinaba hotnagani amadi numit 8 ni gi manungda khulai surrender tawraktrabadi logi matung inna security sizinaduna laukhatkani haina Manipur gi Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na fongdokrai. Wafam asing ase Imphal East District ki manung channa Porompatta IDP singda bicycle amadi fisha kol khutsinabagi thawram ama ngasi pangthokhiba aduga mari leinana fongdokhibane. Chief Secretary na haikibada miyam marakta unauthorized oiba maongda khutlai mayam ama lairiba si society asigi oina yamna khudong thiningai ni khulai sing asi hana laukhatna bahotnagani masigi matungda national highway sing hangdokna bahotnagani highway gi mafam kayada security deployment gi thabak ayamba loisilakle ahenba security thambagi thabak athubada loisilagani highway singda hanadagi pochai puba gari di adumak chatli ungkhatnariba maikai animaki marakta confidence building sagatna bahotna ba changi haiki.
Weapon which is there with somebody who is not authorized to use it, it's a dangerous situation. The sooner we do it, the more peacefully we do it, it's a requirement. And weapons from everybody, I mean looted weapons or any other weapon which is there, it poses a threat to society. So I mean first and foremost we do that, open the highways, bring in normalcy, have some kind of confidence building on both sides. So open the National Highway 02 also, deployment has been completed almost. A little bit of extra deployment is required, that also will be done very soon. And then the movement is still happening, it's not that movement is not happening. Time frame I can't tell you, depends on a lot of things. There is a lot of hope in the society also. Whomsoever I have met, everybody says that yes, it is time now to change, it is time now to bring in peace. I think 7 days are good enough. I mean, if you have a weapon, one day also you can return it. We have given you 7 days, then we'll go and take it from them.